Do you sense a bit of fatigue in there maybe? I mean, you played a lot of rugby for the Bulls, and obviously there's been a lot of sort of expectation on him to deliver.
Yeah, Wilco had a tough, not to get into his personal life, but I mean, there was some illness in the family, and some, our family passed away, and you know, it was ill in one game, and he had a tough last 5-6 weeks. And also, again, we worked with Zach a week longer, and as I say, what Zach, and obviously, what's his name, starting is quite solid for us at tight head, and Zach coming off the bench is somebody he's a really mobile prop, and he's really impressed at scrum sessions, and we feel Wilco just needs 1 week to settle in a little bit, and we think his body took some hammering in the last couple of weeks. So that's the reason.